Hi class. Today we're looking in our science topic. We'll be looking at animals, including humans, and living things in their habitat. Here you can see there are three images, and I want you to think about any similarities or differences you can come up with between these three pictures. Think about their appearances. What do they do? And where they might be found. And which one is the odd one out as well. And it's okay if you don't get it right, because we can actually try to work it out together. The first picture shows a river habitat. A habitat which is the natural home for an organism. Here you will find plants like algae, pondweed and reeds. Many insects can be found near rivers, including dragonfly, damselflies and water boatmen. Fish such as minnows, trout and salmon feed on the invertebrates. Rivers are homes to birds like mallards, coots and mute swans that eat a mixture of vegetation and small invertebrates, while heron eats fish, small birds and amphibians. Mammals such as rats, bats and others, even beavers, can also be found in some of the rivers.
The middle picture shows a woodland habitat which is green and shady.
Trees like oak provide a habitat for many creatures who feed on the leaves or the seeds like acorn. Few plants can grow under the oak leaves and blocking the sunlight, and plants that do grow tend to see the earth spring before the leaves have grown. Invertebrates like woodlice, worms and beetles can be found at the base of these, with ants and spiders, while caterpillars eat the leaves. Many birds make their home in the trees, including woodpeckers, blue tits, great tits and owls. And a lot of you have seen squirrels, mice and even badgers and deers which feed on the acorns, while owls and foxes will feed on the small mammals. And the final picture is the urban habitat, home to many plants and animals. Dandelions and garden flowers provide nectar for bees and leaves for slugs, snails and caterpillars to eat. Birds like pigeon eat seeds and fruits, as well as litter and human leftovers, while magpies also eat small invertebrates.
Squirrels will feed on seeds from trees, and hedgehogs will eat a variety of small invertebrates. Foxes feed on birds, worms, small mammals, insects, fruits and household refuse.
So, class, what is a habitat?
A habitat is a natural home of an organism.
So now, can you think of different habitats, please?
Yes. Oh, I could be thinking of a woodland because that's a natural home.
Great job! Can you think of another one now?
I think I'm going to guess a pond. Miss, a pond.
Excellent job! Can you think of another one now?
Yeah. The teacher won't know I have a really smart one. The savannah.
That's excellent, superb work.
Miss, I have a question. Is zoo a habitat? Because animals live there.
That's a very good question. I'm going to leave this question with you to think about. When we go on our trip to the zoo, to the Battersea Park Zoo, I want you to start thinking, is a zoo a habitat?